Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this session, I am going to cover Agile Manifesto. So what Agile Manifesto is? Agile Manifesto was developed in year 2001 by 17 software developers, software engineers whose prime responsibility was to develop a lightweight method, software development method, which was called later Agile. So Agile Manifesto focuses on 12 key features. First one is customer satisfaction. Customer is goal. Customer says we should implement it properly. So thing is customer satisfaction. We should deliver a product to the customer so that he's satisfied, he gets satisfied and says, okay, this product suits me. It should not be the case that we develop a product over a period of time and it's rendered unusable to the customer. Welcome change. A software development process should be adaptable to changes. A customer can say, okay, my requirements is changed, or I want this thing in that way. You are not developing in that way which I want. So our software development cycle should be adaptable enough to handle changes. We should deliver a working software. A software should be working because it's end user who is going to use it. So collaboration is a key thing. It says your software development should be in a collaborative manner. There should be multiple teams working on dispersed location. They should collaborate and end up with a single big product. We should be we should be satisfying the customer, we should be adaptable so that it is a working software. These are various teams. 1, 2, 3, 4 and maybe at multiple locations. They should collaborate together properly. Motivation is an important factor. Each developer, either it's a 1 year of experience or 10 years of experience, or either it's a senior developer or lower junior developer, they should be motivated enough. They should know what they are developing, what they are developing for, who is going to be benefited, so that they feel the ownership of kind of work they are doing. Then face-to-face conversation. This says everyone should have exposure to the end user. They should know what end user is facing, what end user wants from this particular product. Measure the progress as the working software. Measure the progress as working software means do not go by the process. Go by the actual thing that client can see. If you say your product has 5 requirements and you are able to meet 1, that means you are 20% done. It is not the case that your planning is done, you have nothing deliverable, that means your 20% is done. So Agile says measure the progress as a working software. Make 1 requirement done and then you are good to go. Maintain constant pace. This requirement says, okay, meet a constant pace so that you are every time per sprint you are able to deliver something which is of constant size. It should not be the case that in the starting you are not able to meet requirements, you are not able to give a working software, but later on stages you are able to give multiple requirements. That would put pressure on the client, how to accept it. It's a big thing to see, test, adapt. If you give smaller things, it's easier for him to verify. Monitoring is very important. Per iteration you should check that project health is good or not. Simplicity. It should be simple to understand. No one should be like new developer should not feel different. Okay, how to handle it, how to know what Agile is altogether. They should keep it simple. Then self-organized team. A team should be capable enough to understand how Agile method or Agile function, this methodology, how to handle it. So team should be sufficient to develop a functionality altogether. It should not depend upon another team so that they deliver, then this team can work. There should not be any dependency on other team. That's too much. Review the work regularly. That's again, it's a kind of like you should give demo to the client. Then you know, okay, things are going good. If he says no, things are not going good, you have to review the work properly. You have to see what to be done, what not to be done, what action items are to be taken. So these 12 features are the key part of Agile Manifesto.